Hello friends, in previous video we learned how to create these screens where we can log in and register, but in today's tutorial we will design this home page. So let's get started. First of all, go to your home fragment and check out your fragment home design file. And now we will design this page. We can remove this. We can also remove this. And we can remove logout button for now. And now let's add a recycler view. Give width and height. And give some ID. Now let's add a scroll view. Give some background color. Padding start. And padding end. Now put your recycler view in scroll view. Now let's go to home fragment. And now let's get the recycler view from the design file using the ID. Set layout manager as grid layout, which will have 2 columns. Now let's create a class for adapter. Click on new. Give a name here. Product adapter. And let's extend it by Recyclerview adapter. And here you can pass your view holder class, which we will create. And press Alt Enter to add these methods. Now let's create your product view holder class. And extend with recycler view holder. Here we are going to use a layout file. So let's create a layout file first. New layout resource file. Give a name. Click OK. Now let's design our grid view. Let's write Material Cardview Add background color. Card elevation. Give a linear layout inside it. And now let's pass our image. Let's copy the images. So just copy and paste into drawable folder and click OK. And now write down your image name here. ID for this image view. Let's add one more linear layout. Give orientation as vertical, and inside it let's add one text view. The text will be for title. You can give text appearance like this, or else you can give text size or any style. Let's add one more text view for product description. And here also text appearance. Give some ID. So give some margin in the top, in the starting and at the end. Now let's use this ID. Now let's get the product image here from the view. And also we have to get the product title and product price. It's a text view. For now I'm giving count as 4. And also don't forget to write your layout name, product card view. Parent, attached to root as false. Return product view holder with your layout. Now let's pass this adapter here and put Recyclerview.adapter as our created adapter. Let's run this app. Okay, let's remove this extra space here. So from height make it wrap content and width also wrap content. Now let's run and check our application. Okay, it's working fine. Now let's click on the package, new, and create another class. So in a product class, we will pass an image, title, and the price of the product. So we will use this product class to make multiple instances of product. So pass your product details and image into the product class. And let's copy it. Now let's create array list of all the products. In the product list, pass every individual product. You can copy here. And pass the product list into product adapter. So inside product adapter, we will get product list. And here we can pass product list dot size. And using holder, get your product image and set image, getting it from product list. Also get the product price and set the product price value from the product list. Now let's run our app and you can see our home page is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.